Hi, welcome to Uncomfoodable with me, Katie. So I made my own, I just made my own coffee s'mores cupcakes. I got it from when I was eating Parrot's coffee biscuits, and I decided to make my own fluff. Didn't really turn out that well. It's very, very thick and sticky. I decided to throw a marshmallow on top. This is not how I wanted it to look. How it looked in my head looks beautiful. These little chocolate chips are from Enjoy Life, dairy free. These are actually vegan cupcakes. So, alright, let's do this. Yep. I'm actually pretty impressed. Happy little accidents. The fluff could have come out better. I also just could have made a regular like whipped cream or meringue and then folded in the the crackers, the biscuits. But I did not do that. This is fucking amazing. Oh my god. So I put the crumbs, the biscuit crumbs, in the fluff. This is what it looks like. It was too hot. It kept stirring. It said to stir. Oh my god, it was a workout. It said to mix until it was cool. It was mixing for like 10 minutes. I was like, fuck it. I'm just gonna take it off. And now it's... I mean, who gives a shit what it looks like? Pardon my French. I'd rather have something look bad, but taste great, than tasting bad, than looking great, you know? Like, but I will say this, just one is enough, and I'm a sweet tooth person, too much. Just one of these is more than enough. I know there are things that I would do different, like get a candy thermometer, but it was awesome. Yeah, it was good. I'm happy. I'm excited. Bye.